Hey guys, today I'm really excited to show you the latest addition to our gaming keyboard collection. By now, gamers have come to expect products carrying the flagship ROG insignia to push innovation, offer unique features, and needless to say, premium design. From the color box, you can already tell that this is something you won't see every day. The Falchion is our most compact keyboard yet. Out of the box, you'll find the keyboard with a stunning cover case which can be used to cover the top or the bottom when you're using it. The 2.4 GHz receiver for wireless freedom. A USB Type-C cable can be used for a wired connection when you need to charge the battery. An adapter used in conjunction with the cable can be used as an extender to optimize reception. A couple of complimentary ROG stickers, a user's guide, and a warranty booklet. If we take a closer look at the ROG Falchion, you might be wondering what you would do with a 65% keyboard. To answer that question, let's compare it to a full-size scope and the TKL. This demonstrates how little desktop space the Falchion needs, and how much more freedom you have for mouse movement. Deciding what features and which keys to include on an ultra-compact 65% keyboard is a daunting task. The arrow keys are so often omitted on keyboards this size, but the more configurations and permutations we tested, the more convinced we were that they must stay. Not only that, all the function keys from F1 to F12 can be enabled by using function lock. Even media keys are available. Direct profile shortcuts are there, on-the-fly macro recording, touch panel lock to prevent inadvertent touches, and instant lighting adjustments. Despite all the things we crammed into such a small package, the design is still clean without buttons and knobs everywhere. Hidden under the top edge of the keyboard, you can find the power switch, Type-C port, and a place to stow away the wireless receiver. Flip over the keyboard and the attention to detail is revealed on the bottom cover, where a feet can pop out to adjust the keyboard angle. Conveniently placed next to the WASD keys on the left is our new interactive touch panel. Touching or sliding your finger over the panel controls the volume or even executes macros and shortcuts. The lighting acts as an indicator. The glow changes when adjusting the volume. Numerous prototypes were designed and tested before this cover case became the final product. When taking the Falchion with you, the cover protects all the keycaps. The last thing you want is a lost or scratched keycap. The cover can double as a case, offering protection to the bottom cover without blocking the interactive touch panel, all the while altering the RGB lighting effect for a different look. These rubber triangles may appear to be just aesthetics, but they also offer a solid grip if you feel like propping the keyboard up higher. The ultra-portable size means that you can take the ultimate gaming keyboard wherever you go. Connect it to a desktop, laptop using a wired connection. The ultra-low latency and stability from the 2.4 GHz wireless connection will give you virtually the same performance. In wireless mode, the battery can last as long as 450 hours without lighting effects, and as much as 53 hours with RGB on. Either way, the Falchion is prepped for long battles without wires. When you can't wait to jump into a game, top up the battery for half an hour and you're good to go for over 30 hours of gameplay. The Falchion marks its debut as our first gaming keyboard with wireless Aura Sync enabled. Customize all the keys and interactive touch panel your way. The panel can be configured to display the current battery status. Green indicates gaming marathon time, blue for bring it on, and red for you might want to charge me soon. Armory Crate is the software for customizing the Falchion. Use the intuitive UI to assign preset lighting modes easily, or jump into Aura Creator for comprehensive controls over your entire ROG ecosystem. The RGB effects illuminate beautifully through the ROG-themed legends on the PBT double-shot keycaps. The position and thickness of the font were created to optimize the lighting effects. The mid-height profile gives better visibility of the RGB switches while reducing wobble. The durable PBT keycaps are paired with German-made Cherry MX switches for premium quality, precision, and tactile feedback. Since many keys are now multifunctional, let's take a quick look at which ones are available on the Falchion. By pressing Function plus Function Lock, you can switch between function keys and numeric keys. Record macros on the fly in 3 simple steps. Initiate by pressing Function plus Macro. Execute your macro. Press the macro key and assign the recorded macro to a key of your choice. Alternatively, you can assign and record macros the visual way via Armory Crate. The amount of delay and repetition can be defined. Customize the touch panel easily within Armory Crate using the intuitive UI. Commands can be executed by sliding your finger along the touch panel. A single tap at the front or the back of the panel can trigger macros or shortcuts. The list of options even includes zoom in and out. The Falchion is a dream keyboard for minimalists and gamers on the go. If you're in search of an ultra-compact mechanical keyboard with durable Cherry MX switches and PBT keycaps, look no further. With up to 450 hours of gameplay while using a low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless connection, a touch panel, a multifunctional aluminum-plated cover, and RGB lighting that can sync wirelessly with the rest of your ROG system, the Falchion demonstrates that you can go compact without compromise.
So after Shine 7, another highlight for Computex is 1-2 Mini. It's 60% design and it's RGB version. It's petite and portable and totally has 3 layers that you can set. So for the first one, you have standard layer, and the second one FN layer, and the third one FN and control layers. Yeah, so all the keys are programmable. Yeah, and what if you want to change lighting effects just simply by pressing Auto and Function and T, and you can change the lighting effects. And what if, and we also have the gaming mode, which means you can play the lighting game with this keyboard. Like this, hold the Auto and Function and press M for 3 seconds. It will go through a section, and like I bet this section and your friend bet another section, you can have a bet. And just simply by press spacebar, and it will be slowed down and go through one section, just like a game. It's a gaming effect. And also the detachable Type-C USB interface and 3-stage angle adjustments. Yeah, dual color design, as always. Okay, so for the price, it will be around 119 USD. And for availability, will be around 1 or 2 months later.
These are nice. These are very nice.
I don't know how you could get faster.
The most enthusiast level experience yet in a mass-produced gaming keyboard.
The Razer purple optical switches. They're that good.
So they have laser beams inside of them.
These optical switches are the best gaming-centric switches on any keyboard right now.
I love the new switches.
And this new upgrade just makes them even better.
I was completely surprised at how fantastic they felt.
When you're gaming, oh my god, that is going to make a big difference.
Overall, in my opinion, the Huntsman Mini is the best Razer keyboard that they've produced yet.
They've really listened to community feedback over the years.
Razer is really the only company who are reaching out to reviewers and media and community.
Razer has really put forth a real contender for your money for a 60% keyboard.
The Razer Huntsman Mini is a solid recommendation.